Imagine a moment of calm in your garden under a blue sky. The song of the birds accompanies your steps as you engage in a task that is both simple and incredibly rewarding: mowing your lawn. But forget the deafening noise of traditional mowers, the smell of gasoline, and the complexity of use. Today, I am going to introduce you to a revolutionary tool that will forever change the way you take care of your garden: the manual lawn mower Einhell GC HM. If you are interested, feel free to click the link in the description now to learn more about these unique features, see hundreds of reviews from satisfied customers, and order yours at the best price right now. Feel free to subscribe to the channel to discover the best products every day. This lawnmower is perfect for amateur gardeners looking for an eco-friendly, quiet and effortless mowing solution for areas up to 250 meters. It is ideally suited for those who want to maintain their lawn with precision and ease, while preserving the environment. This jewel of technology, designed by Einhell, a brand recognized for its commitment to innovation and quality, represents the future of lawn mowing. Why? Because it combines simplicity, efficiency, and environmental respect, all in a compact and elegant design. Yes, you heard correctly. This mower is eco-friendly, quiet, and requires only minimal effort on your part. This mower features a contactless cutting system, an innovation that significantly reduces friction between the blades, making mowing not only quieter but also much easier. Imagine pushing your lawnmower with no effort at all, as if it were gliding over your lawn, leaving behind a flawless and even trail. And guess what? You can own this product with just one click on the link in the description and see hundreds of reviews from extremely satisfied customers. But that's not all. This mower is equipped with a cutting cylinder on ball bearings, featuring 5 high-quality steel blades. Sharpened with surgical precision, these blades ensure a clean and precise cut of each blade of grass, providing you with a visually perfect result, worthy of a golf fairway. And thanks to its 4-level adjustment system, from 13 to 38 millimeters, you have the freedom to choose the cutting height that best suits your lawn. For a greener and healthier lawn, don't worry about collecting the cut grass. This mower is equipped with a 20-liter collection bag that is easy to remove and empty. You will no longer waste time collecting the cut grass. This way, you can spend more time enjoying your garden, which is impeccably maintained. So don't miss the opportunity to click on the link in the description to order it now at the best price and revolutionize your daily life. Designed to protect your lawn, this mower features large wheels that distribute weight evenly, thus preventing any marking or damage to the grass. It is lightweight, weighing only 8.305 kilo, which greatly facilitates its use and storage. Remember to subscribe so you don't miss the next best products we have selected for you. With an impressive rating of 4.1 out of 5 stars and over 10,000 reviews, this Einhell mower has established itself as an essential reference for all amateur gardeners seeking an effective, eco-friendly and quiet mowing solution. It is a tool that reflects a deep understanding of the needs of modern gardeners. The desire to preserve the environment while benefiting from technology to make daily tasks easier. It's much more than just a lawnmower. It's the ideal partner for maintaining your garden, allowing you to rediscover the joy of gardening while respecting nature to the fullest. Now let's recap its advantages as well as its disadvantages. Advantage number 1. Eco-friendly. Operates without electricity or gasoline, thereby reducing the carbon footprint. The second advantage is that it is silent. Its contactless cutting system allows for very discreet use, making it ideal for residential areas. Advantage number 3. Low maintenance. Thanks to its simple and robust design, it requires less maintenance than motorized mowers. Advantage number 4. Ease of use. Lightweight and maneuverable, it is easy to push and steer, even in small gardens. Advantage number 5. Precise cutting. The high-quality steel blades ensure a clean and precise cut, promoting the health of the lawn. Advantage number 6. Cutting height adjustment. Allows for easy adjustment of the cutting height according to the needs of your lawn. Now let's move on to some drawbacks, the number 1 being physical effort. Although it is designed to minimize effort, using it requires more physical exertion than a motorized mower. However, this can also be seen as an advantage. What if I told you that owning this revolutionary tool is more within your reach than you might think? Click on the link in the description to order the Einhell GC HM at the best price, discover more about its features, and read the hundreds of reviews from satisfied customers. Don't wait any longer to transform your gardening experience and give your garden the care it deserves. With that, I thank you for your attention. And don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss the upcoming videos from the channel.